Welcome back. So today is the day to get rid of the saggy hinges. I've taken the bolts out of the door, out of the top hinge, and then I drilled out the top part of the pin. So I'll be replacing those. I'm gonna drink a coffee. No iced tea today. It's back to that time of year. So, door pins. Let's see if I can find them. It's been a while since I bought this stuff. Let's see if it's in here. Well, there's a striker. Well, there's one of the door pin kits. I'll have to find the other one. I had to buy them at two separate spots, and where I put that second striker kit or pin kit, who knows? I better find that before I drill the bottom out and make a mess. But yeah, I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Good day today, bad day for my new garage door opener. So, yes, I know the chain is loose. I had to loosen it because we were doing some testing for them on it. It runs its cycle to learn, but it will not work off the off this. And of course, I had to take this off because I wanted to make sure I had the wires right. Like it's my first day out. But watch what this does. Flashes twice. Now, once it does that, you know, I got the cover back up on it, but it flashes 1 on the top and 5 on the bottom light. So that's 1 and a 5, which means the logic board is incorrect. I do raise my electronic eyes so they're not down on the ground here because we do get a lot of snow, and sometimes as you're coming in and out, the snow gets on them and the door won't close. But as you can see, they're in perfect alignment. Everything's good. The installation was good. It's just that it's not working out. So they're going to send me a new Logix board, and I'll have to tear that down, put the Logic board in it, and then reprogram it. And yeah, I'm hoarse. I don't know. I did some raking of some leaves the other night and chopped them up with the lawnmower, and I seemed to be hoarse as soon as I did it. So I don't know what I sucked in. But the other part you got to do is you got to put some Gorilla Tape here to stop the light from coming on, but every time I beat on the door, it comes back on. Hey, I'll bring it back once I got the door pin in and the striker on, and we'll see what we have. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Sanders leaving. The guy's coming to get the blade today also. I got a little project going on in the back there. The vice grips are holding the plastic on right now, but I'll have a new mud flap on that this afternoon that stops the sand from going up in between the frame. Sand and salt. Okay, catch you soon.